Elon said that he immediately felt that SBF was full of crap because the math just didn't add up. There's no way a 30-year-old tech billionaire has $5 billion in liquid cash. When people amass wealth like this, it is initially tied up in stock and equity in the company they built. When these people are more established, they can be like Elon and be able to borrow against their holdings, or like Bill Gates and have the time to liquidate their shares over decades. A young billionaire with a young company shouldn't have access to that much cash. But Sam claimed that Alameda Research, his investment company, was essentially a cash cow and it held billions in assets. Alameda and FTX took a series of large losses. Some of this was from huge marketing pushes, from buying an arena to buying Tom Brady.
I'm trading crypto. FTX is the safest and easiest way to buy and sell crypto.
Alameda was also trying to bail out a series of crypto companies that were or already have gone down, like Voyager and BlockFi. So how do you solve this massive financial problem?
The secret ingredient is crime.
FTX has a token called FTT. It seems like it's the same thing as owning stock in FTX, but it isn't. If tokens represent actual equity in a company, regulators start to get annoyed and come after you because stock in companies is very, very strictly regulated.